Hello, new school Beyblade here. Today I'm doing a Beyblade Burst, Surge, Volt, Knockout battle set. So yeah, I got this today after work because I was actually looking. I was expecting to find anything because I got these guys already. So yeah, I already got the 4 rate and boosters right here. Four normal ones right here. And I let Zanky know that I found these already. I actually, and if you guys don't know, I actually do let Zanky know when I find new stuff early. Or the new stuff early, so yeah. Then I was talking to some of you guys on there. And yeah, I let them know where to find this out in California, so yeah. The stadium actually really looks nice. If I sound kind of tired, it's literally because I just got off work, got home 5 minutes, and just got home 5 minutes ago, so yeah. And also I got these guys right here, so normal for these guys right now. And here's the back. 10 and 7. Wrong parts, but yeah. Looks very cool overall. Use my box cutter that I still have on me from work. This was always when I come. I usually don't go out looking. I mean, if I'm not at work or not coming home from work. Since if I don't find anything, it wasn't a waste of trip anyways, because I was literally just coming home anyways. So yeah, that's my thing. When you see those videos, the play hunts, I'm coming home from work usually, and yeah, always, or shopping anyways, and just to look. Oh god, that looks neat. Now I like the silver and blue. So yeah, oh god. This is another beautiful stadium to my collection. If you guys don't know, I have a whole bunch of stadiums that. Last time I checked it was 25, but I added more to my collection, so yeah. Here's the normal. The parts, the launchers. I usually just keep a handful of these launchers just for fun. I still have the original ones from the first season. In a yellow bag. From the air show I went to years ago. Might need to change that blade soon. Sheesh. Yeah, I'm gonna need to change the blade on it. Yay. I already did a review on him. Oh yeah. Boom. It actually looks pretty cool right there. There's the normal. Let's do that. There we go. I learned from my mistakes from last one. Here's the QR code right there. No! Sorry, I'm lifting you guys up so I can lower you guys down on my tripod. So I can see it better. Ah, God. Sorry. Okay, there we go. Let's get that. Oh, it's up there. Okay. Here's the thing again. So, yeah. Now, with this, it's complete. Now, that's kind of smart how they did this. Boom. Oh yeah, that's a lot stronger. So yeah, fully stock. Now, That looks a lot better on this. Since I have these stock right now. This one I can give them a break on that one. So yeah. Now let's get a Helios. Ooh, I like how they put the stickers on here. That's nice right there. They actually put stickers on the sides. Now, yeah. They didn't do this. More parts. Another 10 is actually good. It's good to have more parts like this. There it is. Here's the normal part right here. Actually, put these like this, like get something like this. I'm not sure. There we go. This one is a lot easier to work with and work it. And I need to do. Stay tuned for a full battle. I'm gonna just do a little test battle between these two in the stadium to test out the stadium. But yeah. Here's what they fully look like. So yeah. Let's put these together and get the stadium put together. Now. And where's the okay, there's the launchers. Okay. I'm gonna be using this set launchers. And there's Helios right there. Or his counterpart together. And I will be doing more battles like this too. Battling Hasbro TT with their counterparts. So stay tuned for that. And that's decent. So yeah. Here's the two brothers. Yin Yang. Okay. Let's get this together. Get the hard part done. Okay. Oh geez. This will be uploaded after I just uploaded this video now. And then the next video after that will be this tomorrow, and this will be after that. So even though I did these two yesterday, you've seen a full video on those. So yeah. And I will just give this one the 7. I'm just giving this one the 7, and this one is the 11. I mean, no, 10. Really stoked I found these just in the back of my local Target, so yeah. Yeah, these are actually pretty fun, pretty good to use. I like these a lot. Cats. Oh yay, 4 of these. These are so fun to put together. Okay. Okay. There's 4 this time, not 2 or 1. Yeah, 2. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. Just get in there. Okay, there we go. That's really neat. I can't wait. And it seems like they're going to be doing string launchers again. I'm not sure. I really want, and since actually we can probably use the Pro Series launchers with these guys. Because I am going to get the Pro Series bays too. So yeah, here's the bay battle. Here we go. Okay. There you go. Let's do a test battle. This is just going to be a little sneak peek of what you're going to see next video. So yeah, that's all you guys get right now. Just stay tuned for the actual battle video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.